Happy Sunday. I thought it would be fun today to show you guys what I call my Sunday reset. It's what I like to do every Sunday afternoon to just kind of prepare for the week ahead. And for me, Sunday, ideally, when I can get it to play out this way, because life happens, things happen sometimes, and it doesn't always go this way. But for me, Sunday is all about going into the week rested and prepared. So I like to do some things, grocery shopping and prepping some food for the week ahead, and then also yoga because it feels so good on my body. And then it's all about getting good sleep on Sunday night because I feel so much better when I go into Monday morning and I feel rested and I feel like ready to take on the week. So for me, that's what I try to carve out on Sunday, is just a good night's sleep and then prepping for the week ahead for food and just, the schedule, what we've got going on with the girls and everything. So I'm getting ready to go to a yoga class. I'm gonna do that first, and then I'll show you what I do after that for my Sunday afternoon reset. Always hydrating, drinking lots of water and electrolyte before a hot yoga class. So I've been working on this one all morning. Okay, wow, just got out of Fire Flow at my favorite little neighborhood yoga studio. I am super sweaty. Okay, does anybody else do this? I have to plan my hair washes around my workouts for the week. So I always wait until after hot yoga to wash my hair. And I'm gonna make my grocery list for the week and my meal plan. So I always do that, usually on Sunday if I didn't already do it on Saturday, which I didn't. So that is the next step in my Sunday reset, is to go get some food, get a shower, and then sit down and look at our calendar for the week, write out our meal plan, and then make my grocery list, and then I will go shop. So I'll take you with me. So this is something I'm pretty excited about. While I was at yoga today, I got this shipment. I had ordered this Fiber Gourmet pasta. I ordered a variety pack from Amazon. I've seen quite a few other people online post about it, and so I've been super curious about it. You can see I've got 3 different kinds, but it is higher in fiber and protein. I am gonna definitely use some of this in our meal plan for the week this week. I'm really excited to try it. I will let you guys know if I love it. And if I do, I'll also add it to my Amazon store. So I think I'm gonna make myself maybe like a turkey pita. I got some of my favorite boar's head lunch meat yesterday at Kroger. I got the mesquite smoked. I really like that one. So, and then maybe just a little salad on the side. I have some of these left over from my grocery shop last week at Trader Joe's, and they need to be used. Then while I'm eating, I'm gonna sit down and look at our week and figure out what our meal plan is gonna be this week. And one thing I always like to do is just to take a glance and see what I have already on stock. Like, I don't need yogurts this week. It looks like I'm pretty well on berries. We'll maybe get a container of strawberries. My girls like these in their lunch. We call them fancy Lunchables. So basically like a charcuterie board, So I'm gonna get a couple of those. I think I'm gonna go to Whole Foods today just because I need some things that I can't get at Trader Joe's. I'm good on bread for the girls. They like PB&Js sometimes in their lunch. We are very well stocked on cheese. Just kind of looking to see what I have on hand for produce, what needs to be thrown out. And then I will make my grocery list from there. I also have, these need to be thrown out. I also have some shredded carrots that need to be used. I have some leftover mushrooms. These need to be thrown out. So I always call this just like shopping your pantry before you make your grocery list. So that's something that I do every week before I make our meal plan and our grocery list, and that way I can use anything that we've already got on hand. Also, if you have not tried this on a sandwich lately, oh my gosh, it's a must try. It tastes just like Thousand Island, and it is delicious on like a grilled turkey sandwich. So I have a whole process for blowing my hair dry. I can't just blow it dry right away, or it is so frizzy. I have a ton of hair and it's very coarse and naturally wavy. So I like to like wrap it in a bun before I ever even try to dry it for a couple of hours. So I'm just going to throw a hat on with my wet hair bun. It's possible that I may even sleep in it tonight and not dry my hair until tomorrow morning and just sleep with wet hair and, you know, go for the rest of the night with it. So we will see. But for now, I'm just gonna throw some clothes on to run to Whole Foods. So yeah, I'm gonna just kind of go low key with a hat and probably not very much makeup. And this is kind of my norm for Sundays. All right, let's go grocery shop. I'm feeling pretty proud of myself. I did get my hair blown dry. Scout. Okay, so now we're about to go grab some pizza. Sometimes I cook on Sunday nights. Sometimes Brandon cooks on Sunday nights. Tonight we just kind of decided that we wanted to go grab pizza as a family. So we're gonna go to a local restaurant and get some pizza. But I do like to eat light-ish if I can on Sunday nights, just because I sleep better. And remember, my Sunday night routine is all about good sleep and going into the week rested. After dinner, I take my magnesium supplement. Then go ahead and cleanse my skin. I always do 2 washes. The first one with a product that takes all of my makeup and eye makeup off. And then I go back and do my second cleanse just with my regular cleanser. Then I like to apply some sort of a face mask. This is the one I'm using right now. I just like going into the week feeling like my skin is a little bit glowier, more hydrated from using a face mask. While I let my face mask sit, I hop in the bathtub and I load it up with plenty of essential oils and Epsom salt. I'm having a moment right now with rose essential oils. I just love the way it smells. It smells and just feels really luxurious, and it's very calming. And of course, Epsom salts are, they help to relax muscles, help to relieve any soreness in the muscles. They also have some detoxifying properties, and then of course a bath is just really relaxing and helps me to sleep better. Once I'm finished soaking in the tub, I hop out and remove my face mask. Skin always feels so good and luxurious after. Then I apply all of my nighttime skincare products. Now it's time to make myself just a small little cup of herbal tea. I like chamomile because it helps you to wind down and further get you ready for sleep at night. I always make sure to make just a little cup of tea. I don't want it too big of one because then I would be woken up during the night and have to use the restroom. So we don't want that. This is an herbal tea that I'm loving right now. It's called Beauty Sleep. Again, there's the rose. It's chamomile rose tea, and I just love the way it tastes. I'm gonna let that tea steep for just a little bit and go find Brandon. We like to watch just a little bit of TV before bed, nothing too heavy. And then the very last thing I do is apply Aquaphor to my heels and put on sleep socks. So I hope you enjoyed following along today as I showed you my Sunday reset routine. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please be sure and go ahead and hit that like button below. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me today, and I will see you same place, same time next week. Bye.